If you are curious about digital marketing and you are wanting to learn more about how digital marketing works, this is Dan Lok. In this video, my digital marketing advisor, Jeremy Haynes, he's gonna share with you some of the fundamentals when it comes to digital marketing and exactly what is digital marketing. Enjoy.
So what is digital marketing? For starters, let's just understand what marketing is. Have you ever seen billboards, radio ads, TV ads? Maybe it's even just people going door to door and selling products. Here where I live, there's planes that fly by. Marketing is trying to get your message in front of customers that are gonna come and buy your stuff, or marketing is trying to get your brand in front of people to increase awareness. Digital marketing is just the subset of things that happen on the internet. There's paid and there's organic. Organic simply means, the way I would define it, there's just no cost to the marketing action that you're taking, but there's still upside. You could write long, lengthy, well-written blogs that get a lot of traffic and traction and end up ranking inside of the search engines through time. Just creating a TikTok profile. You have a high probability of going viral, and you have a high probability of getting traction and getting people to view your content. There's no cost to that. People grow their Instagram, people grow their Facebook, people do what I'm doing now. They post on YouTube. That's more of a longer term play, but still, it creates customers, it creates a fan base, it creates subscribers, it just creates viewership. There's no cost to that. So organic digital marketing actions, posting social media content on any given social platform, and just doing things once again that have no cost. Paid digital marketing actions, that's personally what I love to do. I've always been a fan of paying because there's typically a faster turnaround time on seeing a result, on seeing attention turn into customers. Influencer marketing, that's where you pay people who have social followings to promote something for you. You could pay to have a podcast ad inside of a well-known podcast. You can do the basic things like social media advertising. I do a lot of that. I spend a lot of money, hundreds of thousands a month for clients, sometimes millions of dollars a month for clients, turning it into more money. I like to say that paid digital marketers that do their job well are like the modern day wealth managers. They're turning money into more money. You could advertise on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. You could advertise inside of search engines. There's once again, there's so many different actions. You could do LinkedIn, Snapchat, even TikTok has paid ads. The coolest thing about digital marketing is a relatively low barrier to entry. It really comes down to skills. And there's lots of different ways that you could generate skills. But what it all really boils down to is you have to increase your awareness on what's possible. Once you're aware of what's possible, then you could take advantage of opportunities that you just flat out can't see right now with the lack of awareness. Dan Lok and I, we put together this, it's called Digital Agency Launchpad. It's like a mini course. You can get into it for free, and we help increase your awareness on all the things that are possible, or some of the things that are possible for paid digital marketing, for organic digital marketing, and how you can get into this game. It's really cool. You can live where you want to. Doesn't take much to start. Like I had a simple desk when I first got started. Definitely didn't have like the cool stand-up setup I have today. I definitely didn't have double monitors when I first got started. Funny thing, I actually tried to hook up 3 monitors the other day, but this is a 2015 iMac right here, and my computer just wouldn't even support a 3rd monitor, so I gotta upgrade this. But my point is, I bought a $150 laptop on Craigslist. Absolute hunk of junk. But hey, it got me on the internet and it worked. The point I'm trying to make, you can study, you can increase your awareness, you can build skills, and then you can sell those skills to businesses. LinkedIn actually just came out and they openly said the #1 skill that is currently in demand is digital marketing. There's never been a better time to get in the game, and there's so many different individual things that you can do to build a skill just in one area that businesses will pay you for. So I'd really encourage you, get into the Digital Agency Launchpad, no cost, bunch of cool stuff you could do. Your life levels up as you level up. It's a really cheesy quote that I think works well for understanding digital marketing. The more you learn, the more you earn. It's simple. The more you have, the more awareness you have, the more opportunity you can pursue. So get into the Digital Agency Launchpad. I'd love to help increase your awareness. And hey, in the meantime, try to go and take some free courses. Facebook has one called the Facebook Blueprint. Google AdWords, from Google, they have one called the Google Skills Shop. LinkedIn has some free courses. It's also really cost-effective courses, like just really cheap stuff. One of them is called the Freedom Challenge. Dan Lok and I put it together. It's 5 days of us going live for anywhere from like 2 to 4 hours a day, and we're teaching people how to start a digital marketing agency, which is kind of like the ability to manage people who have a bunch of different digital skills and you're selling them to businesses. Anyway, a bunch of cool stuff. Hope this helps. I look forward to helping you.